video, we found the solution of a quadratic equation using factorization. We factored the polynomial on the left and equated the linear factors to 0. There's another beautiful way in which we can find the solution of a quadratic equation. And that method is called the method of completing the square. Ignore the name for the moment. Take this quadratic equation for instance. Can you find the solution of this quadratic equation? Yes, we transpose this to the other side to get x squared equal to 4. And this clearly tells us that x can take two values, 2 or negative 2. So we didn't really need to factorize the polynomial on the left and then equate the factors to 0. Finding the roots was really easy. Now let me give you another quadratic equation. You would probably use the method of factorization to solve this equation. You would get the roots of this equation as negative 8 or 2. Now let me move this working to the left and write an equation on the right. Here it is. How will we solve this? We can solve it just like we solved the x squared minus 4 equals 0 equation. We transpose this to the right to get this. And this tells us that x plus 3 will either be 5 or negative 5. We get the value of x as 2 or negative 8. And now let me tell you something fun. Both these equations are the same. This one is just a modified version of this one. And that's why we got the same solution in both the cases. Now I have a question for you. Which one was easier to solve? This one or this one? Of course, it's this one. We just had to transpose the constant to the right and our job was done. So what is completing the square method all about? It's easy. We will be given this kind of an equation and we will have to write it like this one and then solve it. As simple as that. But the important question is, how do we write this kind of an equation like this one? We see that in the next video.